Satellityx is a software company that operates in the area of geospatial analytics. What that means is we take the power of the sun shining on an Earth's surface or body of water, and what reflects back to sensors typically from satellite, drone, plane, fixed-wing camera, stratospheric balloon, is a unique spectral signature of the target that we're trying to identify and in many cases quantify. In this short snip, we're going to look at large bodies of water where we're identifying heavy metal concentrations, namely arsenic, barium, iron, manganese, and copper. What you're looking at is the cloud-based software interface from Satellityx. We never delete any data, so the user can always go back to data which we may have gathered many years beforehand, or indeed run new algorithms and apply them backwards as well as forwards. Today, Satellityx has over 36 algorithms. This is how we present the results for heavy metals. As you log on with two-factor authentication, you have a menu to the left of the screen. I can hide that for the time being. The project that I want to look at is chemical analysis. And up on the screen, as you'll see, is a body of water. Satellityx started life in the water-wastewater area. I'm simply going to zoom in and show you the interface and pull the body of water into view. Now, as you can see, what you've got here is arsenic at every single pixel being measured, and then its value circling here on the right to show you. I'm going to close down that legend. We've got a feature called Dual Maps. The Dual Maps feature allow me two windows to look at different constituents in different windows, different dates of the same constituent in each of the windows. The default measure is to synchronize the windows so they operate together. You can unsynchronize them with the little button at the top here that I'm now illustrating. But for the time being, we are going to look at two different constituents in the two windows. On the left, I have arsenic. On the right, I have copper. They default to the same date. Now, we do not delete any data ever. So the beauty of using Satellityx is that you can go back in time and look at any area of this body of water and pull up the data, in this case, back to 1999. The blue area shows you the measured values. The red line shows you the average. In addition, you can also pick out any of the pixel values, and recall these are synchronized by default. So any pixel value that's pulled out will now pull out the corresponding pixel on the right-hand side of the screen. We now have a table of data that we have created which shows longitude and latitude measurements at every pixel level for those two constituents. I could export any of the imagery, any of the analytics, or I simply could say, I want to push this all out into Excel, and it allows me to take out all of that data in an Excel format that I might use as part of my decision-making process or reporting process, where I've got the constituent, copper and arsenic, its value, and then I've got its longitude and latitude for me on the screen. Simple, quick, and easy. The power of Satellityx and its ability to look at data from a very unique perspective. Please visit satellityx.com for more information. Thank you for watching.